to the radio.
They don't. Hi guys, welcome. Now we do have, as many of you know, our MLT coming up soon. That will be. Will it be soon? Be after when you see this video. So it would have either gone for its MLT and passed, or it would have failed. Well, who knows? That's the magic of editing. Being like. So, one of the things that currently will fail us on the MLT is that the fact that our reversing lights don't work. So we're going to troubleshoot that now with Kian. We've got all the documents. We ran through it, so we know what we're doing. Sort of. We don't know what the fault is, but we know what we're doing, sort of. So, let's go to the paperwork first of all. So we got the paperwork here. So this section here, I'll zoom in the editing, is the relay. It's the reversing part of the circuit. So this 305 component relates to the 305 on here, which is the relay for the reversing lights. You've got the closed contact switch for the relay, and you've got 252 is the interlock, which stops the bus from starting if you've got reverse selected. Now obviously reverse works because the bus goes backwards, so we know the closing contact works. So it looks like it could be the relay that's at fault or a fuse. Now it's more than likely to be the relay than anything else. So we do have a few fuses to check. On this one it's fuse 11, which is an 8 amp, 2, which is an 80 amp, which we definitely won't go because then nothing will work. 3 is a 16 amp, again that goes, nothing will work, so it won't be that. So it might have been 11, but we know 11 is working because we replaced them all recently and checked them all. So it looks like it's going to be relay 305. So we're going to jump over to the electric cabinet, which for a change will not be full of water, and we shall try and locate relay 305 and replace it with this one, which we know works, or we hope does. Right, take it away, you're the star. Get on with it.
This one's almost locked, right?
Yeah, both of them are locked. It's the tool for undoing keys that you don't have, if you can get it. Other way. You have to sort of jam it in there.
A few moments later.
We are changing the locks to this eventually. Should come out this now. That should come out. On the other side. That's load up. This side. Great. So, you won't be able to see much, but we'll sort that out in a second because we're going to have to go inside.
What relay is it? 5?
305.
305.
Yeah, you may need a torch if you want to put the bonnet catch out.
Wow.
Yeah. To sort of force it past them wires to get it. Just push that up into that second hole. We'll go. So it is the first time it's been let loose in this cupboard.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Oh, hello.
You're in enough. So it's not the best quality picture because I was doing it. So relay 305 will be on that circuit board, I think, somewhere. May have to remove the odd relay to be able to see. You know what you're looking for? Little numbers on there. You see the little numbers in between?
In between them.
See if you, when you shine the light there, can you see the numbers? Yeah, that's you're looking for 305 in them numbers. So it's 345, 315, that's 3000 and something. Yeah, 384. Don't know what that one is. Them two there. That's 3000. Is that 3000 numbers?
3,000 numbers.
Right, so you may have to just take them top relays out to be able to see what numbers they are.
These ones?
Yeah. Can you see what number they are now? 3000 and something, so you can put that one back because it's definitely not that one. Is it in properly? Yeah. Carry on. Yeah, because we don't know where the relays actually are, so all the high numbers are on this side. Is that 308? Or is it 30? Yeah, that's 308, so it's not that one. Some of them will be tough. There's a good chance this next one might be 305 then. What number is that? Can you see?
No.
How many people does it take in a fuse cord?
$300, I think.
You think?
It was 300 above it and something below it.
Yeah, but it's the number above it, so if that's 300, so it's not that one. I can't see from here.
381.
Back down. That then two underneath. Got 3000 and something, what's that end for?
309.
389. 309.
309.
305 must be up there somewhere.
Unless it's not plugged in. Or it could be on the other side.
No, it's single loaded. Let's have a look. No problem. Oh. Let's see away. Six.
We found 306.
What?
Did you find 306?
Yeah. I think it was. 396. You match up with the wrong fucking circuit diagram. 318. None of these have numbers on, I don't think. They get very fucking hot. No, they're not. None of them have got numbers on.
So it plays up on one.
No, because it should be a relay that's in sync, you see. What we'll do is we'll pause 1 second, we'll have a... after a bit of research, we found another wiring diagram that seems to make a little bit more sense. We've got relay 3028. Spoiler alert, we know this is in the cabinet. So, mighty man now is going to go get it for you. And we're going to replace it and then start the bus up and see if we've got reversing lights back.
What, you just have a torch?
It's the end one.
This one?
It's that end one on the top line, yeah. That's 3028. Just confirm it when you take it out. Yeah, 3028. So, stick that in its hole.
Simple.
Replace the relay, replace the fuse, don't know what we've done, we've wiggled a few cables and with Einstein puts it in reverse, now goes in reverse. Answer on a postcard please, because I don't have a fucking clue. Right, you can take it out now. I'd just like to take a moment to thank the people on Patreon who support and help make these videos.